Hi, my name's Cody, and today I'm going to be walking you through how a customer can pay an invoice through MonetizeNow. And so the very first thing I'll have to do is just make sure you have a payment gateway configured. And so for this one, I just have a Stripe demo account configured. And then once you have this, you have some customization you can do here. If you come to the settings here under invoices, first of all, you can decide whether or not an invoice is automatically or manually sent to your customer. For this, I have it manually, so I'll just have to actually manually send it. You can also set invoice terms. So, for example, if you wanted to put some info in here about payment terms or anything like that, you can put this in. And then finally, invoice automation. You can just choose whether or not you want invoices to be automatically created, or you can delay it at any period of time. But once we have this all set up, then I can go ahead and come to an account here that has an invoice. So if I come to this invoice, I can go ahead and see it. And since I have it manual, it's not actually sent out to the customer, but I can review it here, make sure everything looks good. And then when I go to email invoice, it'll pull the contact from the quote and it'll now be sent to this person. So I can go ahead and do that. And then if I navigate to my email, I can review the invoice. And when I hit this view invoice, basically the customer can come in as an authorized user and MonetizeNow. And so they will just have the ability to see this. What they can now do is hit pay invoice. And they have a couple of options here. They can do either pay by credit card or a US bank account. For this, since I just have a test instance connected, it's just giving me these options. I would have full searchability for bank accounts to actually do this here, and I could enter all my information manually as well. For this, I'm just going to do a card. I'm going to do a Visa test card. Do my email here. Awesome. So once I review the information is good, I can go ahead and pay this invoice. And so now you'll see the status is updated to paid, and I can go ahead and go back to here. And this is the view that you would have. So now you'll see this is already updated to paid. Everything's good. The amount due is correct. We can see this credit card payment. And then one cool thing too is that if I navigate back to the account here, you'll see that there's a payment token actually stored under payment methods. And so this is stored here. So in future months, let's say the customer just wants you to every month just automatically use this, you can go ahead and apply this credit card to that payment. And same thing with ACH payments as well. If you have any questions, please reach out to us.